This project is based on two emerging technologies, redox flow battery and AEM water electrolyzer for green hydrogen production, which can be used as energy storage system. The primary aim of this project is to establish a long-term, solid collaboration between the two research groups.
The Green Hydrogen Workshop was held online on 10th of November 2021 and featured 9 speakers from the UK and Germany, with Professor Nigel Brandon featured as a special guest speaker.
What do I see as the opportunities? I think the key motivation here is efficiency. And I think particularly if you've got heat available, and that's not always the case, of course, but particularly for some of the industrial decarbonisation, I think this type of technology is interesting. Steel making, ammonia synthesis, and so on.
My name's Dr. Ian Casey, working at Johnson Matthey. I'm going to talk a little bit about some of the work we're doing around catalyst-coated membranes today.
These systems have all these components because there are remaining materials challenges in the materials that we have today that you need to sort of engineer around on the systems level, which adds to complexity, adds to cost, adds to degradation, and so on.
We really have to join forces to cope with the challenges we are facing, and I hope we can jointly find some engineering solutions to that.
The project also aiming to publish 2 to 3 joint research papers targeting suitable and high-impact journal to maximize its impact and contribute to the competitiveness of Europe in the area of clean and sustainable energy storage solution.